Yeah, there's a very strange sense of terror that comes from knowing exactly what's going to happen to you. There's a strange sense of calm that comes from it also, but in the middle of the night when you can't sleep, sometimes you feel happy knowing what they're trying to do to you, and sometimes you feel terrified knowing what they're trying to do to you. I think I'm very happy. Every single podcast I did previous to this, I hammered the point home and I made it very clear that they had the intention of trying to put me in jail. I said there's 3 lives. They try and cancel you and slander you and destroy your name. They don't just want you to disappear from the internet. They want you to disappear from the internet in a cloud of shame. They have to shame you, which is why they chose the crimes they did for me, and it's why they usually choose the crimes they choose, because it's heinous. They want to shame you, and they want you to disappear with your head facing the ground and never pop up again. Obviously, they attempted to cancel me, and I became more famous than ever before. I even said to you on your podcast, and I said on other podcasts, I said, I think they made a mistake. I think when you have power and you overuse it, what happens is a rebellion. That's how a revolution starts. When you have power, you have to be very, very careful with how you use that power. The second you overuse it, there's a revolution, right? And we're in Romania, so they know all about that. That's exactly what happens. And I said at the time, I think I was a mistake. I think they made a big mistake canceling me the way they did. And then the second time, the second life, which I described as they try and put you in jail for no reason. Here we are in the current scenario. I knew it was going to happen. And the third one is they put a bullet in your head. So we're going to have to see how the second life plays out. And yeah, I mean, when this is all over and I win the court case and I get the not guilty, I won't be smiling. I'll be walking out the courtroom with my head on a swivel. That's the kind of life I'm living now. I'm going to be thinking, oh, okay, so their second attempt failed. Now what? Like, do I want to fly private anymore? Do I want to go that place anymore? You start to think about these things. Like, do I want to do these things? A lot of billionaires dying in plane crashes. It's strange. So it's scary, regardless of how it plays out. And I guess you just have to go with the punches and see where it lands. And God has a plan for me and for all of us, and we're just going to see how it ends up. I want to make it very clear, and I make it clear on absolutely every single podcast, I would never kill myself. I don't care what they say. I don't care what video they show you. Never under any circumstance would I kill myself. It's haram. Never. I don't care if they put me back in the dungeon, solitary confinement by myself for the rest of my human years. I would never kill myself, ever, ever. So if that ever happens, God forbid, do not believe whatever garbage they tell you. The chance of me killing myself is precisely 0. They have to damage my influence. They have to damage my influence. They can't sit there and let me be influential because I'm saying things that they don't like me saying. And there are people sitting around going, he's saying things counter to our message and counter to our narrative. Get rid of it. And they have a pretty standardized playbook. And this is probably one of the first times in history where their playbook just isn't working. Cancel him. He's still around. Oh, well, lie about him in the news. Just say he touches chicks. Well, no one believes it. Oh, all the comments are on his side. Everyone's calling us liars. Okay, then do it again. Then do it again. Make up a new girl. Then do it again. Find someone else. Yeah. And they keep attacking me with the same weapons, but the bullets are bouncing off. And that doesn't give me a sense of calm. That doesn't make me think, ha ha ha, I'm invincible. It makes me think, uh-oh. It makes me think, uh-oh, because human life is cheap at the top. It's very cheap. It's interesting, because sometimes I analyze myself and think, why don't I just do that? Why don't I just disappear? You know, I don't need money. I don't need fame. Why don't I just disappear? And then you have to, I was saying this to my brother, and he was like, well, Genghis Khan didn't need Vienna. Some people are just wired that way. Like, Vienna's a long way from Kathmandu. Sometimes that's just the way it is, or Ulaanbaatar, I apologize, the capital of Mongolia. That's just the way some people are. If I see injustice, and if I see things which I believe to be false, I feel like I am obligated to say the truth. I can't explain why, even if at my own detriment. What am I doing this for? Like, it's to the detriment of my life. And I've had these conversations at length with the people close to me, and we're all saying the same thing. It's always been the same way. Humanity's always been the same way. There's been a select, small, few good men up against evil, and evil always outnumbers you. Evil always has more money than you. They always have more power and more influence than you. If you play any video game, when you get to the end boss, he always has more life than you. He always has more hit points, but you're the good guy. And it's kind of like, it's never been any different. At any point in human history, there's been the good guys up against the forces of evil, whatever they were of the time, and you've always been outnumbered, and you've always been supposed to lose. Well, instead of saying who, what I will start by saying is what they do. And what they do is they control information. And we now live in an information society, and by controlling information, they control how people think and act and react to things. That's all they have to do. They have to control information, and they have to be very selective with what they allow you to talk about, and what they allow you to discuss, and what they don't. And once they can do that, they can keep you bickering about garbage, and they can control the sensitive information, and then they run the world. So having all the information controlled and having this hard barrier on what can be discussed, that's how they can purport absolute fallacies. I think now it's been a couple years, we can probably talk about it. They psyoped the world into believing they should be afraid of the common cold. They psyoped the world into this. And if you think about how difficult that would be to do, how difficult would it be to psyop the entire population of Earth? Well, what you do is you just lie on repeat, and you don't allow anyone to say anything counter to it without hurting them the same way I've been hurt. And you just psyop them. It's actually amazing because now I use that exact same psyop on people. I love it. I love it. So when I sit with someone who's not matrix-minded, when I sit with someone who is matrix-minded, like when the BBC walked in here, I'm like, do you all have your vaccinations? Social distancing. Did you actually? 100%. Social distancing, please. And they look at me like I'm crazy. Well, how am I crazy? 2 years ago, you were telling me to do this. Now when I repeat your own worldview to you, I'm crazy. Well, if I'm crazy, guess what? You're a fucking liar, because you lied the whole time. So either you're a liar or I'm not. You know, how could I be nuts? Put your fucking mask on. If I ever talk to any of these clowns again, they're gonna be fully masked up. And I refuse. I don't care if you've had 2 booster jabs. No, I want all 6. All 6 injections. I want paperwork. Or get fucked.
You're not coming in the house.
Good luck. I'm scared of COVID. It's dangerous. I believe the mainstream media. I'm scared.
This word you keep using, PSYOP, I've never heard this word. It's short for psychological operations?
Correct.
Break that down. What exactly is a PSYOP?
Yeah, a PSYOP is the matrix as a whole. It's like psychological operations are constant. They constantly decide how they want you to think and what they can do to make you believe that, right? There's a whole bunch of them they do. But it starts with tolerance. That's what I don't like about this whole guise of tolerance. It's not that I'm an intolerant person. It's not that I'm a bad person. It's not that I want to hurt other people. But when they keep pushing tolerance, what they're trying to say is have no standards or barriers or parameters for anything. That's what they want. You have to be tolerant. Tolerant of what? Tolerant of having your shop set on fire, tolerant of your kids being taught things you don't want, tolerant of crime, tolerant of your house being broken into. Like, tolerant of what? You're not allowed any hard barrier or any hard parameters as a man anymore. That's why they push tolerance. That's the beginning of it. That's the first stage. Once you accept absolute tolerance, well then it's the end, isn't it? I'm tolerant of everything. I'll eat the bugs. Sure.
You'll tolerate everything.
I'll tolerate everything. I'm tolerant. Sure. So when I say things like I'm intolerant of certain things and people think that's bad, no, you need to have standards and parameters. And that's one of the reasons they also attack me. I say that men should be allowed to have standards and parameters in a relationship and in their lives. We should be allowed to decide who we want to marry, and we should have standards for her. They have standards for us. We should allow ourselves to have standards for her. We should have standards in what we'll accept from a government and standards in what we'll accept from a police force. We should have standards as men. But they're trying to erode all of that, because once that's gone, then your brain is completely empty. And then once your brain's empty, they can just plug in the slave program, and then it's over, right? You're a tolerant person. You're a tolerant person. Good. You're a good slave. Slaves are exceptionally tolerant.
They're good for different things, man. But they both have the same basic worldviews, the same basic what's the word I'm looking for? Propaganda. The same. They're trying to hypnotize you in the same way, right? And it's all done on purpose. I think we've discussed this before, and we'll discuss it certainly a bit later, but they're trying to destroy the masculine imperative to prevent revolution. So it's all kind of the same. There's certain things I respect about each country. But it was good to certainly at a young age move around a bit as well. It allowed me to never, ever really settle in a school and make a bunch of good friends or anything like that. So I always understood, even from a young age, how to make people like me quickly, and also how unimportant the relationships with those people were, right? I wasn't a kid who's like, oh, I'm going to miss my best friend. I was like, okay, you were my best friend for 2 years. Peace. I'm out. I was like that. So that's probably another reason why me and my brother are so close. So yeah, it was a good upbringing. I can't have nothing bad to say about it. I was just raised by the OG. My dad was a G. Big, black, chess master, huge, drinking, gambling, pimping. Like, he's just out here. He was just that guy, right? So he was like that to the end. So he was a hero. Yeah. So chess, I mean, obviously my father was a chess master, right? So I had to learn the game. He sat me down. I spent a lot of time learning it. And to this day, I have massive respect for chess. So much respect for the game. It's so much harder at that world level than people can even fathom. Unless you even play the game, you can't even anticipate how good these people are at the game. They're effectively computers. I don't think you can even be good at chess at that level without having something a little bit wrong with you. You got to be on the spectrum somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Because it's crazy how good these guys are. But yeah, chess is an amazing thing. I still play chess every day. I'm not world level or anything. I'm around 1750, 1800 elo. If anyone knows chess, that's what I am. But yeah,
would that be considered better than average?
Certainly better than average. Yeah. You know, the average player, let's say, is around 1,000 or something.
Okay.
But my dad was 2,400.
Okay.
Or 2,500.
Damn.
So yeah, so I'll give you an example. My dad could beat me without looking at the board. So my dad would be in the kitchen, fucking around the kitchen, cooking dinner. I'd be in front of a chessboard in the living room, and I'd say E4. He'd say C6. Knight F3, Knight C3.
God
and
damn.
boom, and he'd smoke me without looking at the board. That's how good the best. It's insanity.
Yeah.
But I do think it's a good basis for life. There's certainly a lot of lessons in chess. There's certainly a lot you can attribute to chess from everyday life to the chessboard, and I think it's a good grounding mechanism. I enjoy to sit down for a good couple hours, win some games, lose some games. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll give you my favorite one first.
Yeah.
Please do.
My favorite one is the difference between the king and the queen, right? Because the king moves one square at a time, and the queen can just zip across the board, right? So you're here in Miami, you're partying in Miami. They got all these parties right now. It's Art Basel, blah, blah, blah. You see all these chicks on a boat. For the man to get on that boat, it's one square at a time, right? He has to get a good job. He has to get his taxes right. He has to find a way to leverage credit. He has to meet the guy who sells the boats. He has to go through all this shit stage by stage by stage to finally pull off being on that yacht and having that yacht at the age of 56. A chick, what does she need? Lip fillers? Boom. Zip. On. She gets straight on. That's the difference between the king and the queen. But although the king is slower than the queen, he's the most important piece, right? The king can't die. The queen can die. The queen, sometimes you can be looking at a position and go, this is fucked up. The only way out of this is to sacrifice that bitch. Sometimes you can do it. I'll tell you a very quick story. This is a story I've never told before. When I was, how old was I? 23? When I was 23, I was dating a ballerina. She was the prima ballerina of the Cambridge Ballet School in England. And I had no money. I was a fighter, but I was coming up. I didn't really have any money. And she lived far away, like an hour and a half away, but she used to come see me, and we were good for like a year and a half. I loved this girl, yeah? And she finished ballet school. She started dancing in clubs in London. She couldn't get any ballet work. Surprise, surprise. Who fucking wants ballet work, right? So she ends up doing like dancing and not stripping, but like dancing in the club, you know. Da-da. So now she's around all the London money every day. She's out dancing all the time. She's up late every night. She doesn't want to drive an hour and a half to come see me. None of this shit. So we're kind of falling apart a little bit. And she ended up talking to someone famous, David Hay. I don't know who he is. He's a boxer. So David Hay starts texting this bitch, right? Back and forth to the. So anyway, when I finally saw her again, she was like, we had an argument. She's like, well, you know what? You think you're a fighter? This guy, that guy, this guy, that guy. I'm like, look, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least do it for money. And she's like, what do you mean? I was like, well, if you're going to go fuck idiots, at least get paid because they don't give a fuck about you. Like, if you're going to play this game, at least do it for money.
Right.
So I had this argument with her back and forth, and I explained to her that these men are just going to use you. If you're going to do it, at least get paid. And when she left the house, Tristan said, why are you telling her to fuck other dudes? I'm like, no, I'm just understanding that in my chess position, I've lost this game.
Right.
The game is done now. Just sooner or later, she's out. All we do is argue. She's in the club every night. I'm just trying to say, before she leaves, maybe I can get a little bit of money.
Yeah.
That's the queen sacrifice, right?
Right.
We broke up 3 months later. I don't know if she fucked him or not, or who she fucked. I don't know. I never spoke to her since. But that's kind of the analogy you have to be able to apply to life. Sometimes chicks got to go.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have to go to save the king. And too many dudes, most of the time, men truly lose at life. It's because they've attached themselves to a queen and they won't let her up. They won't sacrifice her. No matter what, I promised I'm going to stick by you. This, our marriage vows, no matter what. And they just stay on that sinking ship till she eventually leaves his ass. Even worse, what most queens do, I don't want to use queens, what most women do nowadays, especially in the West, I see women getting their men in trouble all the time. You know how many times I've seen chicks starting fights for their dude to have to mop up? My man's gonna and the man's like, oh, fucking shut up, man. There's 4 of them.
Yep.
Do you know what I mean? Like, even if he's a big dude, he's like, I don't really need this now today. You know what I'm saying? Man, another story. I have so many stories in my life. My life's been cool. Back around the same time, I'm 22, 23 years old, kickboxer. I was British champion. I wasn't world champion at the time. It was 4 in the morning. The club just ended. I was in a chicken and chip shop. It's an English thing. They sell like fries and fried chicken, and they're open 24 hours. Like, yeah, something like that. And there's a long line. An Audi with tinted windows pulls up. These 3 big black guys get out, push it straight in front of the whole line, go straight up to the front, cut in front of 5 people, and start ordering. My girl goes to me, we've been waiting here ages. I said, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. She goes, you're just going to let them push in? I said, shut the fuck up. So I made her be quiet, right? Anyway, the man two in front of me, not this guy, the guy here, he couldn't tell this bitch to shut up. She's like, excuse me, there's a line. And the guy turns around and goes, you think I don't see the fucking line? I don't care about a fucking line. So she starts running her mouth. Bro, this dude knocked her the fuck out.
Oh, man.
Whack, clean, out cold. By the time her man looked at her and looked back up, boom, sparked, done.
Whoa.
Both of them. And I stood there and watched both of them just laid out clean. Yeah, fatalities, bro. It was, I wouldn't be surprised if they both have permanent damage. It was bad. The three dudes who ordered the chicken and chips didn't even take their food. They started laughing, walked back out, got in the car. And I turned around and said to my girl, you see, some people are just ready to fucking go to jail. Some people are ready to kill people over fucking nothing. You want me to fight? Oh yeah, I can fight, but what am I fighting these three dudes for? What, fries?
Yeah.
What, fries and a 10-minute delay?
Damn.
Man, and this is what bitches will get you into this shit.
Yeah.
Bitches will get you into this shit fast. And that's why when I see dudes saying, oh yeah, she's just my friend, you're hanging around with girls and they're not even giving you pussy and they might get your ass killed. What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Girls are a liability. They're a liability to have around you because you have a duty to protect them in some regard. I curate my experience very, very carefully. Any woman I'm around, I understand I have to protect. So she better suck something. Because I ain't fucking sitting around being friends with no bitch. Because I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen so many men have their ass kicked over chicks. It's incredible. 100%, man. They're a liability, and it's not necessarily just completely their fault.
Yeah.
But if you're rolling with a chick who won't shut up and you tell her to shut up, you need to be careful, man. And Myron nailed it. There's a big difference between fighting and violence.
Yeah.
Like, I'm a professional fighter, right? I know how to fight. But fighting and violence are different things.
Yep.
If I wanted to get violent on somebody, I just run them the fuck over. Like, forget fighting, right? If somebody who hurt my family was on the sidewalk, I'm not gonna get out and fight the guy. I'm just gonna just run him over my fucking truck. We'll talk about violence. Because if you rely on the government for food stamps, then you can't argue with the government, can you? So that's what they want. So anyone who believes in the Matrix and believes in media and believes in the lies they're told, anyone who sits there and goes, that's true, that it's literally designed to make you broke. That's why it's all a scam. Do your GCSEs, do your A-levels, get in debt, go to uni, get out, get a shit job, get a mortgage. Don't worry, when you've paid that mortgage off when you're 61, then you'll have enough money to go to Spain for holiday. Then your pension comes. Oh, government doesn't have the pension money anymore. Funny enough, hedge fund stole it. Oops-de-doops. And then you wake up one day and go, whoa, I just got fucked. So the whole scam, the whole story is a lie because they want you broke. They don't want you rich. If you're rich, you won't listen to them. So all of it's a fucking lie. And intrinsically, we all know this, right? When I pull up in one of my dirty cars to a gas station and people look at me and they see a Lambo or a Ferrari or a Bugatti or a Koenigsegg, whatever I'm driving, nobody goes, wow, he went to school. No, they think drug dealer, gangster. They're thinking he broke the rules because anyone who follows the rules doesn't get shit. It's all a scam. It's all a fucking lie. So the slave minds are fucked, but those are the only ones who are too stupid to make money. Anybody who understands that the Matrix is lying to them is smart enough. So very small percent are too stupid. Inside of our school, at the height of it, before the Matrix attack, we're relaunching now, we had 175,000 students. Wow. When we had 175,000 students, maybe 2,000 we kicked out for being too stupid. It's step by step. Do this, do that, do this, and don't be lazy. Fuck, it's not that hard, right? So stupid's not the problem. So we have people who are lazy, very few are stupid, but the majority, the main reason most people are broke is because they are arrogant. I will sit here and say all the things I've said. I will do this, take time out of my life for free. Somebody at home will watch and digest it for free. They will agree with the things that are being said, or at least be entertained enough to continue to watch. And then I'll say, I'll teach you how to make money online. CobraTape.com, you can join the real world. And they'll sit there and go, nah, I'll do it myself. They're arrogant. They have these egos from fuck knows where because they didn't earn it. And they're just too arrogant to listen to anybody. I became world champion by listening to my coach. I didn't become world champion by walking in and saying, I'll do it myself. That's not how you get anywhere in life. You have to listen. If Mike Tyson were to walk in, or if Elon Musk were to walk in here and talk to me about money, I wouldn't be sitting there going, I can do that. I'd be like, oh, Mr. Elon, richest man in the world. Hello, very nice to meet you. Please, even though I already understand I don't want to launch a car brand or put rockets in space, please, you must know some things I don't know. How do you deal with the currency fluctuations? Does inflation impact how much it costs for you to send a rocket into space? Like, I'd ask him something that's useful, right? But some people are so brutal.
All right, all right. Welcome, everybody. So, what we are going today, like we see this uneven move that happened Oh, maybe this happened when we had the news on on UJ or for the pound. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Five. Yeah, I think yeah the move happened 5:15, 5, and when we had the news on the Japanese yen. So let's go for 1 hour candle close above this range. And I was thinking, like, man, 1 hour is closing above the range. But the thing is, like, we are overextended here. We have one, two, three, four 1 hour candles, man. So I really want to see a pullback. And you all know I always use 30-minute also close above the range, but I always use 15-minute zones, 30-minute trades. So let's see if this candle break the low of the previous 15-minute candle and close above the range. I think we should be good to take the trade, but if yeah, but we are overextended, man. Overextended. Mm. Look at this. This is the trading candle. But if you miss this candle trade or this candle, then you take the trade here. And what happened? You will stopped out and then moved up. So if you miss the move, just stay disciplined. Just stay, don't go hard on the trades. Yeah. Stay calm, cool, and dusted. That will help you to become better every day in trading. And yeah, we are looking for everything is in front of you guys. Everything is in front of you, man. So if this candle can close bearish, first 15-minute candle close bearish, next 15-minute candle gives us a breakout, I think that would be the best trade of the day. And we can even target, man, this area, whole Victor Hill. But yeah, this is what I want. Like first candle to close bearish, next candle to close above the range. Let's go to the weekly time frame. No, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. 30-minute is closed above the range. We are extended. 1 hour extended. 4 hour did close bearish or bullish. It closed above this range. Definitely we have to come up to yeah fill this wick. Daily. Oh, look at the daily. Previous daily candle is strong bearish. So this is where we get the extra knowledge. So previous daily candle is strong bearish. Maybe we just rejected from this area. Yeah, we can't take a buy from this area because it can reject from this area, man. So this is the high of the previous daily candle. And let's go. Here comes the high. Oh man, this is the thing I didn't even look at. So daily is saying us, hey man, don't take a trade. Don't don't go hard on me. I'm just a trade. Weekly is weekly is bearish, but this shit is pushing up to create a top. Wait, then we can see a move towards the downside. Mm. If we can break the high of the previous daily candle, I think that would be the trade. But as long as we don't break the high of the previous daily candle, there is no trade, man. Previous daily is bearish. 4 hour bullish, no doubt about that. 1 hour is bullish. Shukr, alhamdulillah. So what I'm looking for here is if this 15-minute candle can close bearish and the next 15-minute candle come all the way up, break the high, like not come all the way up to this level, just break the high, just break the high, then come down, close anywhere here, anywhere over here, and then wick down, retest this low, retest this level, break the high, should be good to go up. So I was yesterday I was talking about the wick trades concept, and that means like when we hit the level for the first time, we have very small, like that level is very strong. So for that strong level, we need a strong force to break that level. So that is why I'm saying, like, first time we go up, we rejected from the previous daily high. That is bearish. And the second thing is, all right, if this kind of can close bearish, then we can make our decision. So yeah, man, I have my potential sells close below. Now I am more confident on that sells because previous daily is bearish, man, and not just bearish, a very, very strong bearish. And we have a range till 2000, man, and we can go down to 2000, man. Yeah. So yeah, I'm assuming we may see a push down for the rest of the day. May see a push down for the rest of the day. So previous daily is bearish. So until we don't break the high, we can't go for this trade. So I think, you know what? I am going to take a screenshot of gold, and I think I can put this on my Twitter account. That would be good. Yeah. So screen snip. So yeah, man. Let me put this shit. So if someone is on the stream, just leave a like on the stream. That would be good. And we are about to break the low of the 15-minute candle. Let's what's happening? What comes to mind when you think of Imran Khan? Oh man, World of Statics are doing some stuff, man. Inspiration, agile resistance. All right, we break the low of the 15-minute candle. Let's go. Break the low of the 15-minute candle. So I think this is a small range, so that is why we can't take a sell in this range. But if we can get the closure below the range, we can go for a sell. Yeah. Oh fuck. Beggar. So So yeah, man, we break the low of the 15, even we break the low of the 30-minute candle. This is what I want, and I am still thinking like we can go down. I'm not a fool person to take a buy here just when I know we can reject from this area. Previous daily is bearish. So yeah, man, I'm not fool, man. I know what I have to do. Oh shit. 4 hour did close. Bullish or bear? Oh, weak bearish. So that is why we are pushing up to fill this wick. To fill this wick. So yeah, man, there is nothing. Let me see. Yeah, there is nothing for us on GJ. GJ was GJ pushing up, come down. So GJ is doing nothing. If we can get the closure, look at this. Oh, last daily close a weak bullish. Very small, low volume, nothing. So just focus on the gold, man. Just focus on the gold. Oh, man. Uh, uh, so, you know what? I am going to, yeah, gold 30-minute time frame is looking good. Just keep in mind previous daily is bearish. Uh, just wait for the setup and take the trade. The desert. So you know what I am going to do now. Uh, hmm, so Forex tips. Forex. Let me add some. So let me add some gold. That is it. So yeah, man, I just post the analysis for gold on my Twitter. That's it. And Elon Musk and Ben Shapiro visited the concentration camp today as they co-signed the genocide. Fuck off, man. So, how many peoples do we have on the stream? We have three peoples. 2 likes. Yeah, man. Good. So 15-minute candle did close bearish on the gold. Let's see GJ. GJ closed way above. So yeah, let me see the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute was good. We have this resistance over here. So you all know what we are looking for. Uh, Yesterday we were looking for buys close above the range. Candle close above the range, break the high, came up, even though fill the whole range, man. So for today, let me see the UJ. UJ, I think we can take the trade above this range. And let me see the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute also makes sense. Let me see the 4-hour time frame. Oh, 4-hour is bearish. I think if we can get the closure, not on even closure, like if we can 30-minute, if the candle can come, if the candle come up, if this candle close, no, if this candle can come up and close weak bearish, I think we can go for a sell in this 20 pip range. 20 pip range is not too bad on UJ because we'll have our stop loss like 10 pips. So when we have a stop loss of 10 pips, 20 pip range is very good. But if we have a stop loss of 30 pips, then 20 pip range is not too good. Euro USD closed above the range. Oh wow, I think let me see the previous daily. Previous daily is bearish. Fuck off. Yeah, I think if it can break the high of the previous daily, hmm. So same thing as we have on gold. Previous daily is bearish and 4-hour close above the range. If I have to take the if previous daily is bullish, I will definitely go in this trade. I would definitely go in this trade, man. But unfortunately, previous daily is bearish. 96, 79, 80. Yeah. So previous daily is not looking good. That is why gold is also making a decision. Either it has to go up or it has to go down. Gold is in a decision mode. Let's see what the decision comes. But I think, oh man, we have 3 likes. So let's see what we are looking for. GJ. Let's go. Oh, don't have anything. So you know what? Let's go to the home and we can see the stuff here. Clean range to the left hand side. All we need is a closure above the range so we can take a buy. So let's see, man. Yeah, we need a closure above this range. Only thing that we need. Uh, yeah, we need a closure above this range. But I don't wanna. I don't want a closure that looks like this kind of close above the range, no bottom wick, and we have like we started from here, close like 60 pips away. Like if someone get into the trade here, and he will think he will close his trade here, and he will laugh at us. Hey, these bullshit mans are taking the trade I have my where I exit my entry. He will laugh at us. So that is why we can't let someone to laugh at us. Yeah, we can't let. Man, believe me, Euro USD is looking good. Hmm. Euro USD is looking good. Alright, alright. Gold may gives us a closure above the range, but we don't only need closure, we also need uh, yeah, we also need this kind of break the high. So one thing is very good, like we did break the low of the previous 30-minute candle, and we did break the low of the previous 15-minute candle. Now I want this candle to break the high of this candle. Oh man, that would be good. That would be good. So yeah, we can't get into the trade for now because well, we are a professional traders. We are not like a professional. I don't want to say myself a professional trader. I just want to say myself a disciplined trader. Man, look at this. These were the moves, like 24 pip move. I don't know what was that, but this is the other trade. Man, fuck off. That was a little break even. That was a stop loss. What was that? Oh, I remember this trade. Yeah, that was a stop loss when we close, when we manage our risk really, really well. Here is another win, 12 pips, and let me show you, man. Man, that is, look at this. Like, took a buy, we have the range, 27 pips. Took a buy, 18 pips. Oh man, these were the days when we had the volume. Look at this. Took a sell, 21 pips. Took a sell, 18 pips. Took a buy, 15 pips. And man, man, that was good. These days were good days. So yeah, man, we'll have volume. Like we have a volume, but we have a. This is a typical trend markets. Oh, ਉਹ ਸਰ ਉਹ ਫੈਸਲਾਬਾਦ ਸਬਜ਼ੀ ਦੀ ਰੇੜੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸਮਾਨ ਟ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਮਾਰਕੀਟਸ ਸਰ ਗੁੰਮ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਦੇਰ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਆਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ man we missed your fucking funny lines you always crack some jokes crack some jokes that was good bro. Bro, yeah, man. So let's see, man. Let's see how we can get the opportunities. We have 5 minutes left for the. Oh, look at this shit, man. Look at this shit. So I don't think so. We have anything for now. So let's do analysis for the GJ. Yeah, let's do the analysis for the GJ. So let's do the analysis for GJ. I am looking for buys to close above this range. Really looking for buys. We have, man, range, range. And I don't think so. I'm looking for sells daily. Yeah, man, sells not make sense. Even though yesterday was a bearish day, but sells were making no sense yesterday. Yeah, sells were making no sense yesterday. So looking for buys. 847. Oh no, 848. So yeah. So yeah, man. I'm looking for my potential buys above this range, and I don't think so. We have anything here now. Yeah, I don't think so. We have anything. Uh, 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 uh. So yeah, man. We don't have anything. We don't have anything for now. I think peoples are wasting their time on other people's streams, maybe. And when all the people's gone, they come to my stream. They was like, "Hey man, let's see this man how he took the trade. Maybe we made some money." You are fucking liar, guys. You are you are not a good man. You guys are fucking bullshit. Like, you goes to other people's stream, and when you find nothing, you say, "Hey man, no, we have to stick to this, man." Oh shit. So yeah, gold, is it pushing up? It is pushing up. We have 1.5 minutes left for the candle to close. So let me tell you, let me tell you one thing. If this candle close above the range, will we go for a trade? No. Why? Here is a big rejection. Uh, Trend line. Uh, Trend line. So what is the lower price? Here is the lower price. And let me tell you one more thing. I want this shit. Oh, 116, 22, 6. Oh, what the hell? 12, I think. Uh, Let me see the price. High of this is 16. No, the high of the candle is 12. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, 30-minute did close bearish. Let me see one more thing. Let me see the high from here. What is the high? Yeah, 12. So this is the daily high. As long as we hold this high, I will not go for a buy. Daily high. Alright, so here is the previous daily high. Yeah, as long as we hold this high, we are bearish. We are bearish, man. As long as we hold the high. If someone take a buy, I can't say he is not a good trader. Maybe he didn't even look at the daily time frame. Yeah. And we also, man, close. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, we also close below this range. Yeah, this is not even a salary play. Even though it is looking like a salary play, but this is not a salary play. Yeah, this is really not a salary play. So yeah. So yeah, man. Uh, that is why I am. I'm not looking for buys here. We have a fake out on the 30-minute time frame. Do we have a fake out on the 15-minute time frame? Yeah. 15-minute time frame is no. We don't have a fake out on the 15-minute time frame. We just have a resistance on the 15-minute time frame. Oh wow, we are not touching this area. No problem. No problem. What the hell is this? So yeah, as long as we are below this line, cells make no sense. And let me see the 34. Oh, let me see the key level here on gold. Key level is at 34. 34. All right, man. So yeah, our break even point is, yeah, good, man. Break even point is very good. 34, because we have a key level at 34. Oh shit. Yeah, we have a key level at 34, and I think we have like 18, 16, 17, 18 pip range here. I don't know, but the thing that I really know is we have a key level at, yeah, key level at, so yeah, man, I think yeah. So yeah, man, we are waiting, still waiting for our setup to shows up so we can get into the trades. There is nothing else, man. So we are just waiting. Waiting game is going on. I don't think so. We have to force any trade here, even though I will not force a trade here. So yeah, and also we are closing below this range. That will be the break even point. Man, we have a good range. We have a good range. I don't know. Uh, oh, we have a good range. So that is why I can't force a trade. GJ. Oh, fuck, man. I was looking for this candle to close weak bearish so I can take a sell in this range. This is what happened. Oh shit. This is what happened here. Oh man. UJ. UJ done its thing. GJ. Gold. GJ. Gold, GJ, UJ, gold, GJ, UJ. We have nothing on gold. We have nothing on GJ, nothing on UJ. Yeah, there could be a position on UJ. Like previous daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30 minute is bearish, 15 minute is bearish. I think that was a good setup, man. I don't know why. Like, so yeah, if we can get the closure below the range, yeah, we can also go for a trade. Yeah, we can also go for a trade on UJ. Yeah, I think gold is pushing up. Yeah, gold is pushing up. So UJ, Euro USD, UJ. Man, what I said, like if this candle can come up, create a steeper top, we can close bearish. We will go for a sell in this 20 pip range. But man, movies happen. Oh shit. This is the thing that we were looking for. Oh shit. This is the thing that we were looking for. Oh shit. That was the thing that we were looking for. So yeah, man. I think we are done for for UJ. Below this level, let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Let's see where we have the level on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, below this level we have this range here, and here is the partial TP. Yeah, man, let's see. Maybe we get the trade on GJ, UJ, or whatever. Let's see the GJ. Look at this. But GJ, it make no sense to take the trade because previous daily was bullish, H4 was bullish, H1 was bullish, 30-minute was bullish, 15-minute, the only confirmation was this 15-minute, and we can't go for this confirmation. But UJ, look at the UJ. 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish, daily bearish, weekly is bullish. That is whole another case. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. So we have the same question. Can we break the high of the daily candle that is bearish? Yeah, I have the same question. I have the same question from the gold. Bro, can you break the high? I don't know. If you can break the high, I will go for a trade. If you can't, just no problem. So we are still waiting for the candles to close, and we all know like previous daily is bearish. We may reject from this area. May we come up top of the candle and then came down. Look at this candle. Previous daily was bearish, and what happened? This candle came all the way up, reject from this area. If someone get a closure above this range and get into the buys, yeah, he would have the opportunity to move his stop loss to break even. But so yeah, man, this can happen because previous daily is bearish. So that is why I am not taking the trade, taking the buy as long as we hold this high. Man, to break this high, we need a huge volume, huge volume. Look at this. Uh, Look at this. So we will see a consolidation in this range. And let's see the 1 hour. I think if we can get the closure on the 1 hour and 1 hour close a little more below, and 1 hour would be good to go down on a bearish day. Yeah, on a bearish day, 1 hour would be good, man. Next candle came up, create a top wick. We can take a trade, and that would be the onion play setup. I know we did create a new high of the day, but man, you also have to look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame is saying us a whole another story, whole another story, whole different story. GJ is pushing down. Oh wow, we tapped into this area. 2 minutes left, 3 minutes left. Yeah, we have 3 minutes left for this candle to close. And I think they are doing the, yeah, I think they are doing the press conference. That is why UJ is moving press conference. Let me see. More hawkish than expected is good for currency. All right. Hawkish mean they have to raise the rates, but they are source does not give an exact start time. This event will be listed as tentative until the press conference starts. Source change release frequency from about 14 times per year to 8 times per year as of January 6th. Oh man. Like before the 2016, they raise the rates or they hold the rates 14 times per year. That means we have just volume and volume. So let me show you the volume. Let me show you the volume. Uh, let's go. Oh, shoot. Oh, shit. Man, we just didn't get into the trade. So let's go to the Man, one of my relative come to my room. He was asking, "Hey man, what you are doing?" Man, what can I say to him? So I just said to him, "Hey man, I'm just doing nothing." And he's not believing. What can I do, man? Tell me, what can I do now? So, yeah, I don't know, like, man, I don't know what can I say to them, but I really want to see this candidate to came up to, yeah, man, if we can break the high, then close here on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I would like to get into this trade, even though 1 hour is a little overboard, but I have no problem to get into this trade if we can break the high. Yeah, look at the 15-minute time frame, man. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. GJ. Yeah, I was talking about the volume. Like, this happened in the 2014 when they have 14. Oh shit. Can it close below the range? Oh fuck, man. That my relative fucked up everything for me. Man, they are just a bullshit. I don't know why I have relatives like that. I don't know. Like, when I will make money from the trading, I will just, first thing, you know what, first thing I'll do? I will just kill all of them. Bandchot, Gandu. What the hell, man? I just missed this trade, man. Fuck off. I just missed this trade. Band the lode. Kote the putter. Yeah, man, that was a trade, bro. That was a trade, bro. Ah, shit. कुत्ते दा पुत्र बहन चोद यार क्या गांडो इंसान है यार क्या ही प्यारा गांडो इंसान से बहन दा लोड़ा man I don't lock my door man I think I have to lock my door I have to lock my door man this is what I was looking for candle to close below the range came down a little bit came up create a top weak break is on low let's go here is the trade but man Man, all of my relatives are uneducated. They are all bullshit. Yeah, they are all bullshit. Can this candle come up a little bit? Break the high, close here. Let's see if it can. Shit, man. Shit. That was the trade, and I think we don't even have the drawdown here. Like, if we come down, all right, fill the wick. That's it. Boom, 10 pips done. Here comes the 20 pips, 25 pips. That was the target area. Shit, man. I really don't like. Man, you can't even imagine. Like, when you have a setup and because of some bullshit. Alright, maybe we break the high. Alright, we are about to break the. Oh, we break the high. We break the high. Now, this is a time to wait for this candle to pull back. Man, look at us. Like 2 minutes before, we've. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. So, yeah, man, we break the high. If this candle can pull back, yeah, oh, stop loss would be too high. We will, yeah, we can have our stop loss on the 15, previous 15. But I want this candle to now pull back. So we will take the trade when this candle will break the high for the second time. Yeah, like we break the high. First time we got rejected. Second time we break the high. Third time we will see a move. We'll see a move, man. Stop loss is not too bad, like 20 pips. And let me set the magic keys here. Uh, let me set the magic keys here. Yeah, man, this is our trade. This is our trade. But I want this candle to stay here. Like come down, tap into this area, stay down so we can take the trade because we have our partial TP here 2034 2034. Yeah, man, trade is loading. Trade is loading. Just wait 5 minutes. Trade is loading. So yeah, here is the key level. Oh man, 5 minutes is looking crazy. Maybe we maybe we see a push here. Yeah, if this kind of can close bearish here. Ah, man, don't do that. Oh, don't do that. Oh, this is what I said. Like, if it break the high, straight up. I think UJ is pushing down. UJ is pushing down. Oh man, we missed all of the trades. Missed all of the trades. Fuck off. Fuck off. Man, this is what I said. Like, if we break the high. Oh shit. If we break the high, this is what I said. If we break the high, that will be a goner here. If we break the high, that will be a goner here. Shit. If we break the high, that will be a goner. Shit. Oh man. How can I explain my feelings here? I don't know how can I explain my feelings. No words to explain my feelings now. Oh, UJ is gone, man. That was the trade, only trade that we had. This 50 pip. GJ. So now you can understand. Like yesterday, I took a sell on GJ. I think I should be up. Man, I should be up 50 pips, 60 pips, maybe less. I am up. Where is the GBPJPY? GBPJPY daily time frame running 73 pips. So let me show you this. Look at this. 78, 74, 75 pips. And I said I can hold this trade for 3 days, and now you can see, ah man, 70, 60. So it can retrace, but I have no problem. I think I can add the second entry here. And also we may have a trade on the weekly time frame too. If this candle can close bearish on the weekly time frame, we may have a sell on the weekly time frame for 700 pips. But for the daily, running. Yeah, man. But for the daily, we are running. Man, this is what I said. Like, if this candle break the high, that will be a goner. GJ, UJ, we tapped into another resistance here. 1 hour. 1 minute. 1 hour candle close. Open. 1 hour candle close right at the support area. We have 10 pip range now. Nothing, man. I think I could have get into the trade on the 5-minute time frame, but yeah, when I see the 5-minute time frame, could have get into this trade, man. But man, I don't trade on the 5-minute time frame. You all know this, man. You all know this. How can I get into this trade when I don't trade on the 5-minute time frame? There was the trade and the Loda. Euro USD is pushing up. Nothing, man. What we need now, we need a shit. Shit happens. Shit happen here, man. UJ we close above the range. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. We close above the range on the 1 hour time frame. Oh man. This is where I was looking for the trade, from this area. And now we are here at this point. So if this candle close bullish, oh man, we are missing one thing here. So let me tell you that thing. Now, what's the plan now? Yeah. What is the plan now for UJ? Here is the plan. Or I want this candle to close bullish, next candle to close below the range, close bearish. Or if it like moves like this, come down, 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 then I won't take the trade. And let's go to the GJ. GJ did not close below the range. Actually, you know what? I don't think so. We have anything on GJ. So yeah, man, like what I said yesterday, I said NZDJPY Oh man, I took this trade in the previous week. Now this trade is running. Wow. It did not even hit my stop loss. Like, come down, but come up, no problem. So, yeah, man. That was the trades. NZDJPY, that trade was on the 4-hour time frame. GBPJPY on the daily time frame. Man, man. No problem. Like, I will hold this trade. This is a swing trade. This is not a trade like we say, man, we have to close this trade. Hey, man, we have to do this, do that. No. Ah, shit. Gold did break the high. Yeah. Same plan for gold. Come down, tapped into this resistance. And maybe reject from this area. Maybe reject from this area. This is the plan. Man, that one 5-minute candle, like, just imagine if that candle close here and we get into the trade. Man, just imagine, like, that was our move. That was our move. Oh shit, that was our move, man. That was our move. Believe me or not, that was our move. That was our move. Then my fucking relatives come to my room. Ah shit, man. Yo, we have only one candle. Oh man, we break the high, come down, create a low, then we came up. Yeah. Yeah, then it was very, very risky. So, yeah, everything is not looking good. Nothing is looking good. Hmm, nothing is looking good, man. Fill the whole range, man. Now we have nothing for us. If we can get the, if we can get the retracement, that would be good. The only option that we have now. Man, can we see this candle close bullish? Next candle close bearish and gives us a move. Oh, what is this? 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame is looking good. No other time frame is looking good. So yeah, no problem. Yeah, I want this 15-minute candle to close here. Let's delete this. Euro USD is pushing up. No problem. Mm, Little risky trade, but not that much. That's it, man. Look at the rejection. Man, you can you can see my voice, man. Like can't even able to speak good. Like have no energy. And you guys are awesome. Why? Because man, you like we have 5 likes on the stream and I didn't even ask for today. I say likelihood of achievement inflation target is rising as we confirmed economy proceeding with existing price outlook. So you know what guys, I wanna tell you one thing here. I took one trade on Euro USD and I closed this trade now. That was the trade that I took one day and I took like 17 pips, 18 pips, and then closed this trade on the 4 pips in loss. Yeah, I just closed this trade, man. Like, I think we may come down to because I had my stop loss here. But yeah, man, I don't wanna. Like, my mood is like completely off now, man. Like, I really wanna have some trade, but man, moves happen. That was the trade. Trade happened, but did I get anything? No. Why? Because of my chutia relative. Because of my chutia relative. So yeah, this is what I want, like create a resistance. And man, today I'm here for 3 more hours. Ah, I'm here for 3 more hours. We will. Oh wow, beautiful. Can we get two 1 minute candle close bearish here below this level? If we can get two candles that close bearish below this level, then it means we'll see move towards the downside. We see a rejection from this area. Yeah, rejection from this area. Mhm. Yeah, I really wanna see support to form so I can take a trade to retest that high. Believe me, I really wanna see this. So yeah, let me pick tissue here. Man, man, we're gonna emotional drawdown. Emotional drawdown, man. I'm in an emotional drawdown. All right. So I am in an emotional drawdown. Oh shit, man. Do we have two bearish candles below this level? No, one bearish candle. So still we did not cut this. Let me see. I had partial TP break even point. All right. 2034. Let's delete this level, or let's have this level on the 20 2045. Oh, look at this, man. I have the line on 2045. So let's have this on 2045. So 15 minute. Yeah, man, we are waiting for. Let's see what is going to happen. But I'm not looking for a buy position here, man. We are extremely bearish. यार ਉਹ ਭੈਣ ਹੀ ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਬੈਠਾ ਯਾਰ ਉਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਗਾਂਡੂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਗਾਂਡੂ ਕਿਉਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਗਾਂਡੂ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਭੈਣ ਚੋਦ ਯੂਜੇ So yeah, we have two scenarios. If the next candle close below the range, I'll go for a sell. If the next candle close like come up, come up, come up, no problem. I will just wait. Oh, I could have up 5 pips now. 30 minute is looks clean. Ah, oh shit, man. Gold did close bearish. Close above. Let me see where gold close. Gold close above the 2034. And if this candle close bullish, I have no plans. If this candle came down, close bearish, then I have plans. Man, I think I still have the key level here. Yeah. Yeah, I still have the key level here. Oh, GJ, UJ, bro, just imagine. Get into the trade from here. The thing that I was looking for. Oh, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. So I think now we officially close two 1 minute candles below this level. Officially. Oh man, yeah, officially closed. Look at this 1 minute candle. Looks like we have 15-minute candles. Yeah, like we have four candles. In that four candles, we have 38 pip move. Fuck man, 38 pip move. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see if we can come up. Actually, I'm not looking for buy position on gold and on GJ because this is a retracement and I don't know how much it will retrace. So yeah, I don't know how much it will retrace, but I know like if we can get the Resistance here, we have to retest this area. Mm. Oh man, this candle engulfed the whole bullish candle. Engulfing candle. Yeah, we may see a push towards the downside, and man, that would be good because that will be good. Yeah, that will be good. This is our plan for gold to create a resistance anywhere. If it wanna close create a resistance here, I'll go for a buy. If it wanna close the break make the create a resistance here, I'll go for a buy. Wherever it want, I just yeah, I am just looking for resist support to form, resistance to form, resistance to form. Yeah, support to form, resistance to form. Oh wow, gold is pushing down. Shit. Gold is pushing down hard, man. UJ should be go up, yeah. Gold is pushing down hard. Oh shit, man. Another 2 minutes, 30 pip, 38 pip move, man. So we have one more key level at 2028. Let's see how we react from that key level. Let's see how we react from this key level. So yeah, if we can tap into this area and create a support, that would be amazing. Yeah, that would be amazing. Yeah, this kind of close above the 2034 area, so that is why I wasn't looking for sells here. But I think I could have get into this trade with a 12 pip stop loss. Could have made some money. That would be the target resistance area. But GJ, GJ, UJ, man, believe me, I have no words for today. No words for today. Just getting angry on myself. Guys, we have 5 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Uh, yeah, guys. So I am still, man. I still want some of a trade here. This candle come down to 29, 28.29. So I think if the next 15-minute candle come down, tapped into this resistance or in this key level and create a support, we will go for a buy to retest this high. And for GJ, UJ, everything is doing its own thing, but we can't look at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, man, I just closed the trade on Euro USD because I was like, man, maybe we come down to for a retracement. Ah, and if this candle close a little bit down, would I take the trade? I don't think so. I would take the trade, but man, I'm thinking one thing, man. Like, yeah, I wasn't expecting that much of volume. Yeah, and one thing I said my target would be 80, 187, 381. If you look at the live stream, if you watch the yesterday's live stream, you can see this target area. But I said we can even go to the 187. So I am still looking for 187 area. Still looking for 187 area. Uh, can you see this? I think you can if I have to. I'm looking at 4 hour. All right. So let's see. So yeah, like yesterday I said we have a like we can go to the 183, 187, 400 to fill this wick. But I also said like we can even go to the 187. That will be 120 pips TP. My stop loss was 80 pips. Like to risk 80 pips, get 120 pips. That means, and I think we come down for 80 pips. We come down for 85, 88 pips. So 88 pips, 1 to 1, but I have no problem. And that is also just a demo account. uh, yeah, man. This 5 minute is creating a spot here. Oh man. As I said, this 5 minute is creating a spot here. This candle turned into bearish and breaking the low. Man, market is watching us. Oh wow. Let's see how we react from this area. Yeah, let's see how we react from this area. Yeah, now everything is good. All I want from the 15-minute candle to create a support here, so I can go for a buy. Create a support here, so I think we should be good. And I'm here, man. I'm here for like at least 2 more hours. Oh shit. I don't know. How can I just look at the candles and don't take the trade? Oh, look at this key level. Yeah, man. Look at this key level here. So I think if we can get a resistance on the 15-minute time frame, we just tapped into the key level. Wow. We can also get into the buys now. Stop loss is 17 pips. But yeah, 5-minute close bearish. So I want this 15-minute candle to give us a support here. If this 15-minute candle can give us a support here, I think we should be good. And one more thing that I'm gonna do here is I really wanna have this here. Yeah. And we can also come up from this area. Oh, let's see. Wait a minute. Yeah. We can also come up to this area. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Oh, and if this candle could have closed below, hmm. Let's see if we can find a support here. We'll go for. Oh, all right. One thing is done. GJ did its work. Now I want GJ. Let's see the UJ. All right, UJ also done its work. I want UJ to close bearish on the 15-minute time frame. We'll go for a trade. Yeah, UJ done its work now. If we reject from this area, I think we will go for a sell. Yeah, if we reject from this area. If we don't reject from this area, then there is nothing. GJ, yeah, man. Let's see if this GJ candle close a weak bearish, like have a little bottom wick, candle close with a small body, and we have this a top wick. But in this way, we have a stop loss of way too big. So we want from the next candle to came up, gives us a good top wick, so we can get into this trade to retest that low. Look at this. Oh man, I think we could have, yeah, as I said, like we can get into the buys now. For now, like without even waiting for anything. Oh shit. 5-minute time frame, 10 pips. Ah man. I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know. Like now, I have plan on GJ and UJ, and I don't think so. We will get the trade on GJ and UJ. Maybe this shit just push down. Yeah, this can also happen. Euro USD is. I don't know what Euro USD wanna do. It can go up to this level for 40 pips, but I don't know. Oh shit. Man, look at the rejection from this level. I was thinking of taking the trade from this level, but even though I opened my this broker and I was like, yeah man, let's take a trade. Let's take a trade. I didn't found let me show you my Dominion markets there. So here is the gold, but I can't find the gold. I was like, yeah, let's take a trade and see if it works. But yeah, 15 minute. Yeah, if 15 minute close like this, next candle came down, create a support. Oh, create a bottom wick. We should be good to go. We still have, man, like we have another key level here at 34. I don't know, man. Could also take this trade on. Man, I think if we wanna become a good trader, we have to make decisions really quick. Like I didn't make this decision a quick, and look what happened. Move is done, man. If this 5 minute candle close bearish, come down, close bearish. Next candle close bullish above this range. On the next candle, we can also have a stop loss of this 5 minute candle. This 5 minute candle low. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I think we again break the high. No. Yeah, let's see, man, how this shit works out. Oh man, 2028 key level. Arr! We should have gone in this trade with a 15 pip stop loss here. Yeah, let's see how this candle close. Yeah, I want this candle to close like this. Like this. Now if it come up, that would be good. I think, alright, yeah. If it come up here in this area, and the last 5 minute candle it came down, I think that would be good. But man, today is a harsh day. Not a tough day, like harsh day. Harsh days are, oh man. We have 6 likes, man. I don't know, like, man, today I don't even say, hey man, leave a like, hey man, give me a like, hey man, do this, hey man, do that. But people are also like, people know, man, people know, hey, this man is doing his work with his, and he is giving his 100%, so we have to give him a like. And I'm very, like, honestly, I'm speaking very honest, like, man, like if someone have a community like you, then man, he definitely wants something big for his community. So it is pushing up. That is why we can't get into the trades. And I think if this candle close bullish and the next candle came down close bearish, we can also get into the trade. Oh shit. Shit. So let's see the 15 minute. Or we have our potential cells close below this level. I know that will be a little Not a little, too much. Like we will be oversold here, but I do think, oh man, let me see, like that was 100 pip move, man. 100 pips move. Can you even imagine like 100 pips move in one candle? I can't. I can't. JJ is pushing down? No. UJ is pushing down? No. Gold is pushing up? Yes. I don't know why. Like, so we have 1 minute left for this 5 minute candle to close. Yeah, man, we have 6 minutes left for this 15 minute candle to close. If it close above this range, should be good to go. Should be good to go. Yeah, let's see, man, how we can find the opportunities. JJ is pushing up hard. UJ, GJ. Hmm. No bueno. Gold, 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 gold. This candle has to close above this range. It has to close above this range. If it can close above this range, that will be a good buy. Yeah. If the next candle close below this range, I will go for a sell. Yeah. Have no problem till yet. Look, man, this candle is about to break its own low. Yeah, that is why I was like, yeah, man, this trade make no sense for me. I think I should close this trade, and I just closed that trade, and Ali. Man, market is doing emotional damage. Oh man, shit. Market is. Mm, so Euro USD, I don't know. UJ, GJ, gold. We have two, three. Someone made Raja brother fake account and then verify it on Instagram. Raja. Oh shit, man. I was like, man, where is the Raja Bank's account? And report as a something about this account. There are something else. A fake. This is a fake account. Fake. Next, yeah, man. Block. Oh man. अच्छा मसरूफ हो भाई कहाँ मसरूफ हो गए हो यार इतना तो कोई ट्रेड ट्रूड ले रहे हो कोई नहीं ले रहे क्या चल रहा है भाई हम इधर बैठे हैं यार इधर कोई ट्रेड नहीं बन रही पैड चौथ कोई मूव हुआ है अभी जापानीज येन वालों ने भाई कर दिया यूएडा ने कोई यक्की लगा दी है यूएडा आया है और उसने भाई पेल दिया वो जा रहे हैं तो वो जा रहे हैं तो कोई 100 पिप का मूव हो गया गोल्ड में 100 पिप टुवर्ड्स द अपसाइड और 100 पिप की रिट्रेस भी हो गया तो हम बैठे हैं वेट कर रहे हैं देखो so man talking so yeah we did create a we did create a support. Is this a good support? No. And if we can get the support on the 30-minute time frame, you can imagine, man, we will have a London Open. London Open will brought us a huge volume, and if this kind of close below the range, I'll go for a trade. If this kind of close below the range, I'll go for a trade. No trade on. If the 30-minute candle close bullish, so now this candle is in no trade range. Man, I think we could have get into the trade there. So yeah, let's see. Listen, this candle is in no trade range. So if this candle close below this range, if this candle close below the range, we will go for a sell. If it close like little above the range or above this range, I'll go for a buy. I will go for a buy. Man, someone made a scam account of Raja Banks, man. Oh man. He was using his account from 14th of January and he oh shit. Let me see the Raja Banks Twitter account. Man, you know what? Yesterday night I was finding Raja Bank's account and there was no like I was like, man, maybe like they say, hey, your internet connection is slow. So I was like, man, this is not good. The Raja Banks, what XAUUSD doing pushing at this time? 3 hours before. Like now we have 9:15, 6:15. Oh man. Yeah, Raja was also waiting for the trade and he see this move happen. Bro, you have to look at your Instagram account. This is no time to look at the goal. This is a time to look at your yeah, this is a time to he took a bite, took a bite, took a bite, took a bite. So yeah, here comes the bottom wick. So if we can get the closure above this range, we will, if it come down a little more, I think that would be more good. And if we can get a closure above the range, I will take the trade and I will keep my stop loss below this candle, this 15-minute candle. We'll have a better stop loss, we'll have a better. ਤੂੰ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਪੌਂਡ ਨਿਊਕੇ ਦੀ ਲਾਵੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਯਾਰੀ ਜੱਟ ਸਿੱਖਾ 1 ਰੁਪਈਏ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੂੰ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਪੌਂਡ Man, this is what we used to hear the song every day. ਤੂੰ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਪੌਂਡ ਨਿਊਕੇ ਦੀ ਲਾਵੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਯਾਰੀ ਜੱਟ ਸਿੱਖਾ 1 ਰੁਪਈਏ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਪੱਲੇ ਸਰਦਾਰੀ Oh man, that. So, guys, this guy has no top wick. So, gold is looking good, man. If we can get a closure above the range, gold is pretty good. We have 7 minutes left, and let me set the order here on my what I'm looking for here. Let me set the order, and yeah, I don't want this candle to move. I don't want this candle to shoot up, man. I want this candle to wait for us and close. I don't know, like. Now again we are in the last 5-6 minutes of the looking for gold spot form and close above 2030 for buys. Same thing, bro. Looking for the same thing. The question is, can this candle close above, and also can this candle yeah, let's see, man. I don't want this candle to shoot up, man. I want this candle to stay here, and I want next. So yeah, man, let me open, set the order. Like, this could be a quick trade here. Oh, market pending, and man, yeah, risk is, I'm going to risk 1%. What is the high? Yeah, everything is good. Stop loss would be 24, 25 pips. If we have our stop loss at 20, 30. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have our stop loss at 20, 30. And let's see how this candle close, man. This is what I was looking for. Like everything is aligning here. Look at this. Everything is aligning here. We have three scenarios. First was we tapped into this area, create a support. We tapped into this area, we are now creating a support. Second was we create a resistance here on this area, and we are creating a resistance in this area. Third was we are creating in this area, and now we are creating the resistance in this area. And everything is aligning. Now what we need this candle to come down, man. Don't break its own high one more time, man. This is the last 5-minute candle, and I want this candle to come down, man. Don't misbehave with me one more time. Yeah, I don't want this candle to misbehave with me one more time. You do you remember this? I said if it break the high, it will be a goner. I don't want this candle to be a goner. I want this candle to yeah, I want this candle to come down, create a bottom wick, and let's see if we can break the low. Can we break the low? Oh wow, beautiful. So we have 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. 30-minute, 15-minute. 15-minute, 30-minute is here. Oh man, why I have this here? I think I can. Yeah, here is the key level. So here we will close our partials and stuff like that. And let me change the color. Yeah, gold. Yeah, we use the candles gold. This is kind of I think we use a little thick line, a little thick, like. So man, everything is playing as we have planned. No, yeah, we use this candle, this line, this kind of a line here, and let's see what do we have on the 30-minute. We need a closure above this range on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, let's see. So 15-minute candle should close with a top wick. Yeah, 15-minute candle should close with a top wick, and we have 2 minutes left. Guys, what do you think, man? What we will do in the next 2 minutes? So people are thinking I'm going to I'm going for a trade, man. Guys, let's fucking take a trade. Ah. Oh man. Yeah, this candle, this 15-minute candle has to close with a top wick, and then we will take a trade. We want from the next candle to gives us a little top wick. Like, why? Because man, just get the we just get a liquidity grab, and these are all the liquidity grabs. So I don't think so we'll have a. So yeah, what we need now, we need, yeah, if this kind of close like here, and the next candle just come down, I think what I'm thinking, we should be good to go. London volume, everything will be in our direction. That's it. So what is the high of this candle? The high of this candle 31.87. The difference is 2.3 pips. All right, candle did close. All right, we have a bottom wick. Can we open the trade now? I think we can. What is the high? 15. Let's see if we can tap into this area, then maybe I have my buy stop above this candle. So yeah, man, for now I am going to have my buy stop here. All right, I have a buy stop here. We get a bottom wick here. Now we just need a buy stop. 15. Yeah, everything is looking good. Guys, I have my buy stop and the price is 2032. 2032. Oh, I think, yeah, this is a good buy stop. What is the high of this candle? 72. Oh, if we can, let me see one thing, like, yeah, if we can have our buy stop on the candle flip. Oh, stop loss would be too big. 72 high, 99, 72, 92. Stop loss would be 27 pips. 2032. 2032. In this way, we will break the high of the previous 30-minute candle. So yeah, man, I have my buy stop at 2032. Stop loss is at ending order, place. Stop loss will be at 2029.16. 0.15, yeah. So yeah, man, I have my buy stop here. Buy stop on the break of the previous candle, 15-minute candle. And UJ, let's see what's this going on UJ. I think we can also have a sell stop on UJ. Yeah, we can also have a sell stop on UJ. Let's see, man. I have my one buy stop here, and where we we can use our stop loss, man. This candle come up. So yeah, this is a little risky. Yeah, man, I'm not taking the trade on UJ. I'm looking for trade on gold. Yeah, let's see how the gold is behaving. Yeah, if we can get into the gold, I think that would be good. Yeah, gold is looking pretty good. Gold is looking fucking good, man. Pretty awesome gold. Let's see if, and we grab the liquidity, a good liquidity. All we need is a, all we want from this candle to break the high. Let's see, man. Let's see. Oh, gold is pushing down. Buy stop. Let's see if we can get activated. Oh. Waiting. Oh, ha, ha, ha. I could have gone with like 50 cents and with the 50 cents. Mm. Allah Akbar, Allah. Man. So yeah, bro, अजान हो रही है अजान के बाद. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Yeah, man. If this candle come up a little bit to give this candle a top wick, that was a very risky trade. So that is why I was a little hesitant to get into this trade. And just to check how if this setup works, I took this trade on my second account with just 10 cent, where like stop loss was like, I think it is like $7 stop loss. And this is why, like, I just want to see like if it works or not. And I think I am going to move my stop loss to break even. Oh, yeah, because this candle goes for like 8.5 pips down. And let me see what's going on with the gold. If gold, ah man, gold, I don't know why gold is doing this shit. Gold has to go up to, yeah, man. So yeah, you know what, guys? What is our plans now? So plans would be, if this kind of close below this range. All right, I'm again coming down. So let me show you this. Oh, I took this trade just to see like if this setup works or not. And with a very like $7 uh my stop loss was there, and that was a $7. I was like, yeah, let's see if it works, because I don't want to take the risk. I just want to check this trade if it works or not, when we have no top wick on this on the previous candle. That's it, man. And looks like 8.5 pip move here, and stop loss was 12 pips. Yeah, 12 pip stop loss. So yeah, I can't close like anything here. All right, again pushing down. Yeah, again pushing down. Like, and unfortunately, we are in the last 2 minutes of the 15-minute candle. So, what I am going to do now, I am going to delete my buy stop, and I will have that buy stop above after. Let me see how many minutes do we have. Yeah, we have. Oh man, UJ is pushing hard. So let's delete this. Let's keep an eye on UJ. UJ. Man, I think we can. Ah, like I just see, like, yeah, one more push. Yeah, 10 pips. Oh man. No, I think 10 pips are not enough. Yeah, I can close half at 10 pips. Let's see. One more push. Yeah, close half at 10 pips and stop is at break even. It is not about money. This trade is not about money. This trade is about the idea that I had. Man, I was about to take this trade with a 30 cent, but Let me see the gold. Gold 15-minute looking good. Man, what the fuck? What the fuck? This shit running 13 pips and I didn't even get into the gold. That was the main trade. I was like, yeah, man, I have a gold trade. Why I have to go into the UJ? And I didn't took the trade on UJ. I missed the trade on gold. And missed the trade on UJ and also didn't get into the gold. Let's see where this candle close. All right, looking like we are good, man. Yeah, let's see. We have 20 seconds left, and I am up 14 pips on UJ. Yeah, kind of close with no wick at the bottom. So close the UJ. All right, so we have a bottom wick a little bit. So I am have my buy stop one more time. Yeah, I think if we can break the low one more time, then I will have my buy stop. And I can also set the stop. All right, we break the low. All right, we have a bottom wick now. Yeah, man. Oh, why, man? Why? Buy stop here. Same price, 2032. Same stop loss. So yeah, let me show you one thing here. Why I close the trade on UJ. This candle close with no wick at the bottom. I close the trade at 14 pips. Oh, where is the second arrow? Let me, all right, so here is the second arrow. Close the trade at 14, 15 pips. Man, just imagine, like, if we would have taken this trade, I think that would be good. Like, man, that would be like 1 to 1. If we go with a 1% risk, 1% risk mean we got like 1%. Or yeah, and GJ also closed with no wick at the bottom. There was also trade on GJ. Yeah, tough. It was tough, but yeah. So yeah, man, I have my buy stop here. I think we close above this resistance. Yeah, we close above this resistance. Oh fuck, man. We should have get into this trade. Yeah. Should have get into this trade. Could have make like 1% here. Man. Man. Guys, what do you wanna say about this? Can we get activated? Uh I think we can, but 30-minute. Oh, we are breaking the low now on the 30-minute. So 15, 15, 15. There was a trade, and let me see. Let me see. Let me see. ਰੀੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਮਰੱਬਾ ਕੋੜ ਤੁਮੇ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਮਰੱਬਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਭੈਣ ਦੇ ਉਸ ਦਾ UJ GJ. So we have a good bottom wick on gold now. I have the same question. Let me see, like if we can get a closure here, we'll have like 8. No, 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 no. I need candles. Oh, 1 hour candle has no top wick. If this candle flip bullish, that will be a goner. And just like take it as a perspective. If we like come up, break the high, break its own high, this candle will come up to create a top wick, and in that top wick we will have our trade. And if we look at the lower time frame is also looking good. Yeah, my risk is a little bit above, a little bit more than the 1%. Oh man, I think I should have gone in this trade and I could have make 1%, and that was the day. I could have called it a day, man. I just did not get into this trade. Yeah, man, yeah, I was looking for like 30-cent trade here. Like if I took the 30-cent trade here, sell limit, let me see the sell limit. Let me see. And if my stop loss is, I think my stop loss would be half percent. Stop loss would be half percent. Yeah, half percent. And how much could I make on the when the candle closed with no wick at the bottom? Because this is where I would have closed my whole trade. Like this is where I closed my whole trade. I could have make $30, like 0.6% with the risk of half percent. Or if I go with a 1% risk, I could have make 1.5% risk made here, but uh, gold, gold. Ah. If this kind of close bearish, I will not take the trade. If it close bullish, I will go for the buy. So I will wait for another uh, 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, I will delete my sell buy stop. I will wait for the 30-minute candle to close. That would be good. Guys, what do you wanna say? Do you have any words for this shit? Like how we can take the trades, or do you have any plans? If you have any plan, share with me, man. Share with me. So yeah, I think if this kind of close like bearish, I will not take a buy. All right, we are breaking the low of the previous candle. So yeah, let me tell you one thing. If my stream ended in 5-6 minutes, that means electricity is gone. Yeah. If my stream ended, so yeah, I'm going to delete the sell stop. Oh, deleting the buy stop. So what I said, man, onion play setup is way too beautiful, man. Onion play setup. Yeah, man. All right. So today I'm going to upload my simulation session. Oh, yeah. I'm going to actually, yeah, I think after the stream that would be good, or I think I have to upload now. Let me see how can I upload videos. select file, and let's go to the OBS. Where is the video? I think here. Yeah, here is the video. I think, can I edit my video in the YouTube? If I can edit my video, then I'm good, because I have to cut the parts. Otherwise, I have to. And in that video, I talk about the onion play. I talk about the onion play. I said, man, whenever you see an onion play setup, just take a trade. I think we could have taken this trade. Yeah, if my stream goes ended. Oh, you can. All right. So, guys, let me tell you one thing. You can see these arrows. I took this trade yesterday, and when I see, man, this is the trade on my streaming account, I just closed this trade. My TP was, I was like, yeah, I will move my stop loss to break even after like tapped into this area, and TP was there. But when I see, oh man, I took this trade on my streaming account, I just like close the trade. I think I should have hold, but if I hold this trade, I could have make like 1%, and with that 1%, like that 1% shouldn't be on this account, because I will pass this account in front of all of you. And that was the opportunity to make some money, but I lost this opportunity. Oh man. Oh, they said cancel upload. Yeah, I think I have to edit this. Can I download Kind Master? Kind Master for, yeah, Kind Master. I think I will edit this trade today. Oh, I think I can't use. I have to Filmora. I have to download Filmora. Free download, yeah, download. So yeah, all right, I've done the download. Now this is the time to, yeah, install. Yeah, I will upload the video today. Let's see what's going on the gold. I think gold should be pushing down, yeah. Gold should be pushing down. Gold is pushing down. So if we can get the closure, ha ha ha, man. So nothing we can do now. I think there was only one opportunity. That was this. That was the opportunity. Could have made some 20 pips here, or maybe 16, 15, 16 pips. That's it. And this shit is pushing down as expected, because extended that was extended breakout here. So gold doing nothing. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Let me see.